Hi there, this is Kirsten Allstaff, Musical Director of OAIM, and I want to share this exciting new feature that we've added to our student dashboard to make navigating our huge resource library of courses and lessons even easier. Say, for example, you're only interested in lessons for your own particular instrument or given by a specific tutor. In that case, you use the instrument or tutor search options. Maybe you already know the course you want to take. In this case, you would simply use the course search option. Now, and this is where things get really specific and helpful. You can also sort lessons by the tune type, jigs, reels or polkas. And you can even specify tune type by the instrument it's played on. For example, you're looking for a reel that's taught on the fiddle, then simply choose tune type, reel, then go to the instrument filter and click on fiddle. And then listed before you will be the lessons that are only reels played on the fiddle or taught on the fiddle. Okay, what if you're just looking for a simple jig to play? Well, that's where the level filter comes in. Simply pick level, basic, then go to tune type and pick jig. Now you'll have all the basic jigs in our library. It's important to remember to always clear the search tags when commencing a new search. Do you have a favourite key to play in? Mine's E minor at the moment, so perhaps it's a reel in E minor you want to learn. On the flute. So you start the search by picking, say, the key, the tune type, and then the instrument. It doesn't matter what order you pick the search tags in. Any combination will give you the specific results you're looking for. If you're an accompanist who wants to filter out the melody lessons, or vice versa, choose the melody accompaniment filter. Lastly, is there a technique you're currently working on? Rolls are a big one. Do you want a basic lesson that teaches rolls? Or do you want to learn how to play rolls in a hornpipe? Or maybe you want one of my lessons where I teach rolls. Or even rolls taught on the accordion. Okay, we've put some real brain power into imagining all the scenarios that can help support musicians in mastering their craft. We think this new way of finding what we have on offer is something really special. It helps you to think in a non-linear way about your instrument and to challenge yourself to get out of your comfort zone and to up your game. I encourage you to take some time to explore OAIM's new lesson search function. If you're a tin whistle player learning rolls, challenge yourself to learn some tunes from one of our concertina tutors or fiddle tutors. Our aim is to make it easier to find lessons in the key you want and the tune type you want. And most importantly of all, to have fun. Until next time, this is Kirsten Allstaff and thank you for choosing the Online Academy of Irish Music.